Hi, everyone. I hope I'm audible and visible. Thank you so much for joining on the day 2 of our 1 week meditation session. So, I hope you guys have practiced the meditation again on the night before you sleep, right? So, today we are going to do another meditation on energizing our breath. Okay. So, as you remember, if you remember, like yesterday, we have started with some progressive breathing. We have taken inhale for at the count of 4, and then we have exhaled for 2 more extra counts, right? And today, again, we will start with another breathing exercise. So, this will be again a very simple breathing, but just make sure that you are checking the mail that you are getting immediately after that meditation session, because there you'll get through the mail you are going to get one attachment. Most probably today only you are going to get that attachment. There you get the technique of box breathing. I have explained with image and with proper configuration how to do the box breathing. So make sure that you are going to check that email that you are going to receive after that particular meditation session. Okay. So again, as I mentioned, that these sessions will be mainly focusing on enhancing the power of visualization as well as enhancing the breathing mechanism. Okay, this will be very simple, just focusing on visualization meditation. So let's start it. Find a comfortable sitting position. Take a slow deep breath. Inhale and close your beautiful eyes. Relax your shoulders, relax your palm. Let your hands rest on top of your lap. Now keep your eyes closed until I ask you to open it again. Take a moment to feel grounded. Feel where you are sitting, the couch, or maybe the chair, or maybe you are sitting on a floor, or if you are lying down, just try to feel the surface beneath you. Now we will start the session with simple breathing. Bring your awareness to your breathing. See how you are taking the breaths. Try to focus on the breathing. As you inhale, notice that your belly expands. Inhale deeply. Feel how the belly expands whenever you are inhaling. Exhale. Notice while exhaling how it gently contracts back to normal position. Inhale again. Feel how the belly expands. Exhale slowly. Feel the contraction. Allow the breath to be effortless, natural, and steady. With every inhale, along with it feeling the belly expansion, imagine that as if you are drawing in to the vitality. With every exhale, release all the fatigue, tension, everything that your body was holding for so long. Keep on taking some deep breaths. Feel your physical body changes, how the belly expands, how it contracts. Along with that, feel as if you are releasing everything, something that right now not serving you. Now become aware that there is a subtle field of energy beneath your feet. No matter where you are sitting, ultimately you are sitting, you are standing, you are there on top of the planet Earth. There is a vast energy field, electromagnetic field. Try to feel that energy. Visualize as if you are sitting on top of a glowing reservoir of light, maybe a natural veil of energy that belongs to you, that belongs to everyone, that belongs to everything that is there in this entire universe, in the entire solar system. Feel the connection with that energy field. Feel yourself one with that vast energy field. Now, with each breath, feel that energy begin to rise through your entire body. Feel as if it moves into your feet, up through your legs. Whatever color energy you want to feel, you want to visualize, you can visualize. Just feel that it's flowing through your legs, filling your hips, abdomen, chest, flowing into your shoulders, arms, hands, rising into your neck, face, up to your head. Finally, visualize that it extends above you, above a foot, above the crown of your head. Imagine as if this vast field of energy now it's there above you, creating a bright pool of radiant light. The energy, immense energy is there beneath you, immense energy is there above your head. Now imagine this light flowing around you in a continuous loop. The energy beneath you, there is a vast energy exactly above you, and the energy is circulating you, keeping you inside a loop. Everywhere around you, there is a circular motion of energy around the body, around the head. Feel yourself inside a continuous loop of energy, the same energy that is there within you, the same energy that is there in the all inside all the stars, all the planets that exist in this entire universe, in the galaxy, in the solar system. The same energy is there inside every human being, inside all the species, inside all the living and non living beings. This vast energy field is connecting you through everyone, through everything that has ever created, that ever exists, and that will ever be exist. Feel the connection. Now bring your attention to your core, to the center of your torso. Bring your attention to your chest. Bring your attention to the center of your heart. Imagine there is as if a shining inner sun. It glows with golden warmth, vibrant and powerful. With each inhale, the inner sun grows brighter. With each exhale, it expands wider, radiating outward in all directions. It extends, the glow of the sun extends beyond your body. The glow of the sun that is there inside you is filling the entire room, the space around you, even far into the distance. Stay here, bathing in this expansive light. Feel yourself lighter, stronger, and completely recharged. Hold it for a moment. Feel that feeling of recharging. You got immense energy. Your energy got vitalized with immense energy that is connected with the entire universe. You have received all the positivity. Now it's time to bring your awareness back to your body. Slowly, gradually start rolling your shoulders, start wiggling your fingers, toes, and I'll start counting 1 to 5. At the count of 5, you will come to the present moment. You will open your eyes and you will be wide awake. 1, 2, you are slowly coming out. 3, 4, come out slowly. 5, open your eyes, be wide awake, feel fine, in a perfect health, feel better than before. Okay, how is it? I hope the steps were clear. You were able to do the meditation, you were able to go to level, right? Any confusions or questions that you guys are having? It's absolutely fine, Eva. You will get the recording of that, so you can keep on practicing. Yeah, sure. You will get the recording. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today's session. I hope you will keep on meditating. Again, wanted to stay longer. Thank you. Thanks. It's a big compliment. Okay, so keep meditating, keep practicing, stay better and better, keep smiling. Bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.